Everyone, today's lesson is going to be simplifying algebraic expressions, and before we get to the simplifying part, let's talk about the distributive property. The distributive property is a property of numbers that says if I have the numbers a, b, and c, and I have a parentheses b, it could be plus or minus, but for this purposes we're going to say plus c, then the a is going to multiply or distribute to the b and distribute to the c. So we're going to distribute a to b, and that's going to equal a times b. Then we're going to move over the operator, which is plus. So we're going to put plus, and then we're going to distribute a to c. So a times c would just be ac. And that is the distributive property. So an example of that would be, for example, 2 parentheses 3x minus 4y. I would distribute 2 to 3x, which would give me 2 times 3 is 6x, and then I would distribute 2 to negative 4y. 2 times negative 4 would be a negative 8, so I would bring over minus 8, and then don't forget the y, and that would be distributive property. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at example 1. Example 1 for simplifying algebraic expressions is 8b minus 3c plus 4b plus 9c. When you have an expression like this, what you want to do is combine like terms. You want to combine like terms. A term is any of these expressions, little mini expressions separated by a plus and minus. So 8b is a term, 3c is a term, 4b is a term, and 9c is a term. So all of those are terms. And like terms have the same variable. So 8b and 4b both have b, so they are both like terms. 3c and 9c both have c, so they are like terms. So we're going to combine 4b and 8b. Sorry, 8b and 4b. 8b plus 4b is going to be 12, and then don't forget the b. And now we're going to combine 3c with 9c. Negative, it's got a negative in front, negative 3c plus 9c is going to be positive 6c. So we're going to put plus 6c. And that is our simplified expression. We have simplified 8b minus 3c plus 4b plus 9c. We've combined like terms and gotten 12b plus 6c. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at example 2 of simplifying algebraic expressions. And we have 4 parentheses 4x minus 9y, close parentheses, plus 8, open parentheses, 3x plus 2y, close parentheses. Now, if we cover up this second part right here, notice this first part looks very similar to when we were doing distributive property. And if we cover up the first part, this second part also looks like distributive property. So it looks like we need to do distributive property on both of these different parts. So I'm going to distribute 4 to 4x and 4 to 9y. That means we multiply 4 times 4x and we multiply 4 times negative 9y. So 4 times 4x is going to be 16x. 4 times negative 9y is going to be a negative 36y. And we are done with the first group. Okay? So now we go to the second group, and we're going to distribute 8 to 3x, and we're going to distribute 8 to positive 2y. So we're going to bring down this plus sign, and then 8 times 3x is 24x, and then 8 times positive 2y is a positive 16y. So now we're going to combine like terms. Notice this looks a lot like example 1 now that we've simplified the first part. So to simplify the second part, we're going to combine 16x with 24x, and we're going to combine negative 36y with positive 16y. So first off, 16x plus 24y is going to be 40x. And now we're going to combine negative 36y and positive 16y. When I combine those two, I get negative 20y. And that is my solution for example 2. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's lessons on simplifying algebraic expressions. If you have any questions, please send me a message via Schoology or send me a text. Have a great day.